February is right around the corner, which also means that Valentine's Day is coming right up. And this means that there's going to be a massive opportunity to make some pretty good money in the e-commerce / dropshipping space. So while other people are happy because they're in a relationship on Valentine's Day, people like you and me, we're happy because we know we can make a ton of money this coming month. So to kick things off, I'm going to be giving you guys 7 amazing products to start selling this February and even going forward. So if you're new here, my name is Artem Sunsov and I make content on dropshipping, e-commerce, and just how to make money online. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe and drop a like. And also make sure to follow me on Instagram, shameless plug. But without further ado, let's just get right into the video. All right, so starting things off, this is the first product that I think you should sell. This is the You Are My Sunshine sunflower necklace, and I think this is a great product for Valentine's Day just because it looks super premium, and these types of products always do really well during this time of year. And probably the best thing about this product is that right away it has USA shipping, so you're going to be able to get that fast shipping time without having to order in bulk. So you can go ahead and advertise your fast shipping time without being unethical. So this is probably my favorite product on this list just because it has fast shipping, it looks super premium, and there's a ton of good content available for this product. So this is the competitor for this product. As you can see, a ton of amazing content, and these guys are selling it for $49.99. I think that is personally way too much. You can undercut their competition completely and just sell this for around $19.99 plus like $3 shipping, and you're still gonna have a very solid margin. So you could just brand this product insanely well. I couldn't find the exact same ad that I saw for this product, but this is about it. It's just a super simple ad showing off this product. As you can see, nothing super crazy, but these types of ads do really well. If you make a similar ad to this and run this product for Valentine's Day, I think you should get some pretty amazing results with this product. So this is the next product that I think you should sell for Valentine's Day. This is like a butterfly earring clip that girls can put on their ear, and I can just see this product doing really well as well. It looks super premium, and also it is very cheap to get. You could easily sell this for $20-$30 without an issue. And this product actually also went really viral on TikTok, getting over 4 million views on this video ad. So as you can see, 400,000 likes, around 4 million views. It doesn't show here, but I remember it had around 4 million views, and it's just a super simple ad, just showing off the product. And as you can see, there's a ton of comments of people saying how they want it, how cool it is. And as you can see, it was very recent. So just like with the other product, this product will do really well for Valentine's Day, just because it's that type of product that you can just market and sell very very well with UGC content. So this next product right here is actually a product that I sold myself, and I made a video on this product and this brand that did over 30K in around a month time. It was my last video, so if you want to go ahead and check that out. But this is also a really good product for the guys. If you run an influencer ad on TikTok saying this is a great gift to give for your boyfriend, husband, whatever, I just don't see how it's not going to do well, because a wallet, watch, it's one of those things that every guy gets on Valentine's Day. It's just a really popular type of gift, and this product is just a really cool twist on that generic gift that you would usually get. It looks super premium, and it also has that high perceived value because it is an Apple accessory product for the AirTag. So this is a really awesome product that I would really consider selling for Valentine's Day, that I'm definitely going to be selling as well. So once again, I couldn't find the exact same video ad that I got, but this is one that I saw. So it's just a super simple video. It looks like they literally just filmed this on their phone, and it did insanely well. Yeah, if we take a look at it, it looks like they got 500,000 views on this video ad, which is just honestly really simple, and you could improve so much on this. It's just such a cool product, and there's so many ways you can market it that, you know, the possibilities are really kind of limitless. This is just another great product that has such a big demand for it, and there's really just limitless opportunity to market this product. So, and this is why this is another really great product to sell into February. Coming up next, this is also a product that went really viral on TikTok. I got so many ads for this product, but basically it's an AirPod cleaner. If you guys have AirPods, you know how disgusting they can get sometimes. They just collect all your gene lint and they just get really gross. So a product like this is problem solving and also has a really wide demand. You know, so many people have AirPods these days, so a product like this will just do really well because you can market it to such a big audience. And this is another one of those products that people like to gift on Valentine's Day. You know, if your girlfriend, boyfriend has AirPods and they're always really gross, if you see an ad for this product, you're gonna go like, oh hey, they could use that, and you're just gonna buy it on the spot right there. And as you can see, it has a ton of orders, and this product is actually pretty new. I haven't really seen this before. So the first time I seen it was around December-ish. So this is another example of a really good product that you can sell for easily $25. or maybe you can, try to find this product for cheaper and undercut the market a little bit. But let me show you guys the ad for this product. And as you can see, this ad got 14 million views, super viral, 300,000 likes, over 1,000 comments. So, and it's just pretty bad, honestly. Like, the margins aren't correct. So if you order this product, make just a really quick video with your phone, or get somebody to make a video for you and run that on TikTok. I guarantee you will get so many orders with this product, just because it's such a good product, such a broad demand for it, and it just honestly looks really cool and really premium. So here's another example of a better video ad in my opinion, but this one actually didn't do too well. So this is once again another product that I would suggest selling into February. A product like this you can even sell past February, so you can sell this, get a bunch of pixel data on this product, and then continue scaling it for a couple more months, really build a brand on it, and then maybe even bulk order it into the US and just really establish yourself as a primary competitor of this product. So this next product right here is a bit untapped, but it's still one of those products that will do really well on Valentine's Day, just because it looks really premium and comes in this nice box, and you can just brand this as well really, really well. So as you can see, this picture is so high quality, it's really beautiful, and something like this you can even sell up to like $40, just because it just looks like a premium piece of jewelry. So if we do take a look on TikTok for this product, you will see that there's not a ton of ads at all, and if there are, they're all pretty bad. So I would recommend ordering this product, maybe getting it to an influencer and getting them to make a really high converting nice ad, getting that custom content, and really building out a really nice website for this product. And that way you can just go into this unsaturated market, into a product that not a lot of people have seen before, and just really crush the competition and sell thousands of this product. So this is one of those products, once again, that is a bit untapped but has massive scaling potential. So the next product that I'd recommend you sell this February is this product right here. It is the I Love You necklace. If you're into dropshipping, you've probably seen this product pop up year and year again, just because it sells every single year around Valentine's Day. So this product is a bit more saturated than the other products on this list, but that doesn't mean that I wouldn't recommend selling it. If you go out, market this a little bit differently, get that custom content, you can really stand out from the competition who are just using these generic images. If you get some custom content going and throw up a couple of TikTok ads, I think this product should do also very, very well. And if we do look at the ads, they are pretty bad. Honestly, the lighting is very bad. It's blurry, and it's just not really attractive at all, but people still do really like it. So if you do throw up some really good influencer ads with that custom content that really put this product in a really good light, you can still sell so much of this product, because this is one of those products that just does really well every single year on Valentine's Day. And finally, the last product that I have for you guys today is this personalized calendar keychain. So this is another example of one of those products that does insanely well every single Valentine's Day. It's just a super simple product when people can add the day that they met their significant other, or just another important day. But it's just one of those products that is super easy to sell during this time of year, and it always does really, really well on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok this year. So if you can get this product as well to an influencer, film some nice content with it, throw up some ads, I do also think that this product will do really, really well. I actually couldn't find the ad that I got for this product on TikTok, but I believe the ad had around 5K likes. So it definitely is doing really well for that person. It was just a super simple ad of them showing the product in a kind of cool artistic way. So if you can make something similar to that, you're also going to do really, really well with this product. So this was my list of products that I would recommend you sell for February. There was so many good products here, so I just recommend testing all of these personally, throwing up 7 different websites, just quickly testing through them. And if you do, I think multiple of these products are going to do really well for you. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please let me know down in the comments below. Drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more content like this. I'll see you guys in the next upload. Peace.